When you file bankruptcy and you own things, what happens to that stuff? Hi, my name is Scott Goldstein. I'm the owner of the law offices of Scott J. Goldstein, and we are a bankruptcy law firm. So we do a lot of work in bankruptcy cases for people who owe a lot of money. So let's say you own things. You own a house, a car, things of that nature. What happens to that when you file for bankruptcy? For the vast majority of people who will file, there is not enough equity for anything to happen to your property. So you will be able to keep it even in a Chapter 7 case. However, if you've got a lot of equity in your house, if you maybe have a car that you own free and clear that maybe wasn't worth a whole lot before, but now because you can't find a used car anywhere, now it's all of a sudden worth a lot of money, now you may have a problem. And that's when you enter into what's called an asset case. In asset bankruptcies, in Chapter 7, what ends up happening is the Chapter 7 trustee can take your stuff and sell it. If that means that you've got a couple of very expensive vehicles, trustee will auction them off. If you have a house with a lot of equity, the trustee can market and sell that property. How do you avoid this? If you have a lot of equity in property, and maybe you can sell some of it before you even consider filing for bankruptcy to get rid of that debt by just paying it off, that'd be the first choice. If you filed for bankruptcy, however, and you do have those assets, your only option then will be to convert your case from a Chapter 7 case to a payment plan case, either Chapter 13 or Chapter 11, depending on your circumstance. That may not be something you want to do. Generally, if you've met with an attorney prior to the filing of your case and you disclose to your attorney your assets, the attorney is going to direct you in the way and the best kind of case that you can file to ensure that you keep the maximum of your assets and lose very little. But if you don't tell your attorney about assets that you may own, and you file and you don't disclose them, you're going to be in a very big set of trouble. Because, as is occasionally on the news, hiding stuff from a bankruptcy court is a federal criminal offense. So there are ways to keep your things in bankruptcy, or at least keep the majority of your things. But you need to disclose it to your attorney, you need to disclose it to your court, and you need to select the right kind of bankruptcy to deal with it. If you're experiencing financial trouble and it's too much to deal with on your own, I'm happy to talk to anyone. My contact information is after the video. Like and subscribe for more information, and I do hope I can help you out.